Alrighty, this is how I organize albums inside of Pixieset, specifically for a wedding. So we're going to go ahead and create a new album, Daniela and Oscar Wedding. You can choose to add a date here. And right here on the left, it naturally goes to highlights. And you just click Edit, Set, and you could do Getting Ready. Save. And then you would upload all of those. Boom, boom, drag into there. Add another set. Reception. Boom. Add another set. Portraits. Boom. And that way, when your client looks at the album, they will see the photos nicely organized into the various mini events of that day. So let me show you what that looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like. All of the photos are organized by the different mini events from a wedding day, such as getting ready, family portraits, romantic, ceremony, and reception. It would be the same download pin for all of the different mini albums or mini sections. And so that makes it easy for your clients to just download the whole album right there. A great thing with organizing photos is maybe the family wants to see all the family portraits first, and so the bride can go ahead and share this link with that section in it. So they can just poke around and find the photo that they're in with the bride. I will add, the times that I organize are primarily for a wedding album. An album that has, I would say, 300 photos or less, sometimes 500 photos or less. I wouldn't organize into different sections because it's just such a small quantity versus a wedding album that might have 1,000 photos. That's just a preference thing. I mean, for example, this one, I could organize it into family portraits, mom and kid portraits, dad and kid portraits, but that's not really my style. I would prefer just all of the photos to be in one album. It's a preference thing. That's how I do it. The other scenario I have done it for is for headshots, when this one, is closer to 700. I organized it by the different background colors that we had, just because there were so many different shots and styles. I wanted her to be able to easily navigate which color background photos she was looking at. So those are just the times that I would use organizing inside of Pixieset. Not often, but I would say anything over, I don't know, maybe 500 or under could be good. Just a little frame of reference. Or if you use the thought of, will there be different scenarios where, like a wedding, a makeup artist might want to download the getting ready shots, but not necessarily the reception, etc., etc. So organize according to what makes sense in your head. So yeah, Pixieset makes it very easy to make sections in your albums, and I highly recommend this resource for photographers. If you have any questions about Pixieset, please drop them below. I'd love to help. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.